What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's freezing cold outside. Well, it's not really freezing, it's 37 degrees, but I've been in the garage for such a long time and I have no heat, so I had to turn on the car right now so I can get warmed up. But I just also want to show you guys how to replace the hazard signal, right? So the USDM impressors came with this colored hazard signal switch. So the way to replace it is to I just took this off right now actually though, and all you have to do is just wiggle with it. You see how it is, and don't mind my car. It just came from the mail place right there, so I do have a lot of stuff up here though. But technically you just mess with this a little bit, you wiggle with it until you take it off. Then up here you have a set of 2 Phillips screws right here, so that's what you need to take off that. And then once you get these 2 screws off, then you have to do is mess with this guy a little bit, wiggle with it. I would advise for the car to be off. Right now the car is on because I'm cold right now, so I'm able to do this. But if you're walking in a warm area, or if it's summertime for you, you don't need to have your car on. I just have my car on because it's cold. So I'll put the phone on the side, but all you have to do is mess with this piece right here. Just wiggle with it and try to be careful with it that you don't break it. And then take this off. Then after that there should be, I think, 1, 2, 3 screws up here, and this should pull right up. But stand by. As you guys see, I went ahead and took off the top. What I actually did, and trying to get one that's plastic, this is metal, just try to put it on the edge that way, and then trying to wiggle with it just a little bit, making sure you're not scratching your dash. I scratched mine just a little bit right there, but that's it, nothing much. And then you can get it out. So like I said before, there's 3 screws that are here. Actually, let me see, it's kind of dark in here. Let's see how many screws we have. Bear with me, I only have 2 hands. So on the bottom of this, actually the person before this did not put the other screw in, but I don't know if you guys can see. So there's that 1 screw right here, there's another one right here on the side, that one. So this one is missing. There's supposed to be a screw right there, it's missing too as well. Forget my ashy hands, it's cold up here. But yeah, you just want to take those 3 screws out. On my case is 2 screws. Let me show you. Oh man, kind of sucks not having someone take a video for me, because now I'm struggling with this. As you guys can see, there goes 1 screw right there, another, and then that one is missing. So I'll make sure that I put that one back in, but that one was missing. Once you take those 3 screws out, or in my case 2 screws out, then this guy should come out a lot easy. So I'm gonna start on it right now. So guys, I went ahead and took the 1, 2, 3 screws that are here, but again in my case it's 2 screws, so it gets very loose, and all you have to do is just pull it out this way. And right now it should be exposed to the hazard switch. So should be just a matter of disconnecting this piece up here that you see right here, and that should release this switch, and this one should just come out. I'll show you guys in a bit. As you guys can see, I'm actually holding the vent with me right now, and that's what the switch looks like on the back. All I have to do right now is just push it. Once I push it through, it should get out on the front, and that's it. And this is the connector that holds it in place. That's it right there. So all right, so guys, once you get it out, there's this tab that's right here. It's underneath this piece that's right here. What you have to do is press that in, and that should push the whole switch out. You see that? So I just pushed it out, and now to put the new one in, it will be the reverse process. Like I said, it's this guy right here. You push it down there that way. As you can see, she moves, and then push the switch out. So you press it down, then push it out. So I'll go ahead and put the new one in. Stand by. Alright guys, I'm excited to install the new switch in. As you can see, it's a lot better looking than the ugly USDM switch. Let me show you guys the USDM one. Yeah, that just looks weird, just looks awful. So this is more JDM. all the Japanese cars came like this, so go ahead and replace it. So again, here is very easy to replace it. All you have to do is just the same way you took it off. So you want to make sure that this piece up here is facing up. So you just go ahead right here, clip it, bam, and it's in. And also you want to make sure that it actually moves back and forth. Because if it doesn't, then your lights will never work. So it's working fine. So just for reference, I went ahead and clipped it back in. As you guys can see, it's actually clipped back in. So you just want to make sure that the switch works. So you press this, and it's working. So that's how you want to do it though, and it's very easy to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video though. But yeah, that should be it. You know, the new one is in, and we don't have the old one anymore though. So yeah, there you go. All right guys, and that's how you replace the hazard signal on a GD STI, I guess, or WLX. But yeah, like I just told you guys, again, don't mind about my car. I do have a lot of paperwork. It's just picked up mail from there, so my car is usually very clean, but I'm also working on it. There's a lot of things that I'm changing on it right now. This was just a quick video to show you guys how to replace the hazard switch on it. And like I said, there's 3 screws that are right underneath this AC vents or air conditioning vents. So 1, 2, 3, they are right underneath. 1, 2, 3. But the first thing you do is take this off. This one is really easy to take off, and you guys gonna see with my own hands. See, it's that easy to take off. Then up here there's 2 screws. 1, 2. Right now I don't have this screw back in. I lost it. I actually placed that switch, that screw on here, the one that was actually missing. So yeah, so I'm missing a screw here now, but it's 1, 2 screws you take off, then you wiggle this whole thing out. It comes up to like right there. Take it off, and like I said, you can use this guy real quick, or you can use one that are plastic. The plastic ones are better, that way you don't mess up your plastic inside the vehicle. And then once you take this off, then you should be exposed to the 3 screws that are there. Again, it's very easy. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and let me know how you like it. And hopefully it helps you guys out. All right. Thank you. Bye.